Welcome to Liquid Finance. What if I told you Apple just made $1 trillion bet that could revolutionize your health, while simultaneously facing a political firestorm that could wipe out 25,000 new Tesla Model S's worth of fines? Today, we unpack the bombshell developments rocking Apple stock. Let's start with Apple's game-changing health push. Bloomberg reports the tech giant is transforming its health app into an AI-powered doctor codenamed Project Mulberry. This digital physician analyzes data from your iPhone, Apple Watch, and even third-party devices to coach you on fitness, nutrition, and sleep. But here's the billion-dollar question. How might this surgical strike into healthcare impact Apple's bottom line? This screen tells the story. Chart AAPL shows shares dipping 1% pre-market after France's record fine, but let's focus on the 3-year view. Since announcing their first health-focused watch in 2018, Apple's stock has surged nearly 300%. Now with AI doctors and subscription health services coming in iOS 19, analysts predict recurring revenue streams could add $15 billion annually by 2030. But storm clouds gather in Europe. France just levied a $162 million fine over Apple's privacy practices, the first major regulatory strike against their ATT tracking system. While the amount is mere pocket change for a company that made $35 billion last quarter, this represents a dangerous precedent. Germany, Italy, and Poland have similar probes underway. Here's where it gets geopolitical. Former President Trump has threatened retaliatory tariffs against European regulators targeting U.S. tech firms. With Apple generating nearly 25% of revenue from Europe, could we see a 2025 trade war impacting valuations? Billionaire investor Ken Fisher remains bullish, keeping AAPL as a top holding, but our analysis shows 3 hidden risks most investors are missing. Wall Street's verdict: 17 analysts say buy, 11 say hold, 4 say sell. The average price target implies 15% upside, but ask yourself, does this account for Apple's ability to monetize health data responsibly? Can they navigate EU regulations without compromising privacy credentials? And crucially, will consumers pay subscription fees for AI health coaching when current devices already cost over $1,000? Looking ahead, 2 scenarios emerge. Bull case: health AI attracts 10 million subscribers at $20 monthly, adding $2.4 billion in high-margin revenue annually. Bear case: cascading EU fines reach $1 billion while health features face regulatory delays. Our take: Apple's ecosystem lock-in remains strong, but margin compression in services could surprise investors. Now we turn to you. Would you trust an AI doctor from Apple? How concerned are you about regulatory risks? Sound off in comments. If you found this analysis valuable, smash that like button. It helps our small channel compete with mainstream financial media. Remember, we're not financial advisors, just passionate researchers connecting the dots in turbulent markets. Stay liquid, investors.